Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Audacity-Internal port audio error. Could not find any audio devices on a PC and how you can fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing is you just have to search here for a device manager. You have to search here for device manager and you have to open this. Now from here you just have to navigate to sound, video and game controllers. You have to navigate to here and you have to find, you just have to find the audio devices, which one is yours. And now as you can see that mine is AMD high definition audio, right? So I have to check from here. So it is that. So what I have to do is I just have to right click and I have to go for update driver and I have to search for automatically for the drivers and I have to see whether I have in the latest version or not. And if I'm not in the latest version, update your drivers and once after that do a restart, and this can fix the issue up. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.